Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the charging test in the Realme X2 device after using for pretty much close to 8 to 9 months of time. So it's been a very long journey with the Realme X2 device. So after the very long time usage, so let's see whether the charging speed has been decreased or not. So here I got the charger which is a 30 watts charger, and the Realme X2 phone has 4000 mAh of battery capacity. And if you want to know more details about the smartphones, or if you're looking to buy any other mobile phones, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of other smartphones, so where I'll be uploading this kind of in-depth reviews on each and every mobile phone, so you'll get a clear idea before buying the device. So here I got the stopwatch ready in the middle here. So right now you can see the Realme X2 is completely dead to 0%. So I'll be connecting the charger and then I'll be starting the stopwatch. So right now I'm using the Realme cable only. You can see the color inside of the cable. So every time whenever you charge your Realme X2 or any other Realme phones, try to always use the default cable. So don't do experiments or don't charge your phone with any other cables. Always use the Realme cables to increase the lifespan of this battery and the phone as well. So let me connect the charger right now and start the stopwatch. So right now you can see the charger has been connected, and you can see that clearly the battery is of 1% only. So again I'll be back after 1 hour of charging this device. So let's see how much the phone gonna charge right now after this many long months of using this phone. So let's see whether the charging speed has been increased or decreased during this time. So right now you can see here friends, it's been close to 30 minutes. So I decided to make the video right now as well after 30 minutes of charging the Realme X2 using the 30 watts charger. So let's see how much percentage the phone actually got charged. And don't forget to check my other videos in case if you're seriously interested to buy any of the smartphones, so you can get more information in most of my channel videos. So right now it's been close to 30 minutes. So let me wait for the 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, yes, 30 minutes exactly. You can see your friends, for 30 minutes continuously charging the phone, it charged about 60%. So from starting date to till now, the charging speed I think did not get decreased at all during this time. So it's a pretty good charging speed, I can definitely say, even after long time of using this Realme X2 smartphone. So there is no issues with the charging speed rate as well after a long time of using these phones. So again I'll be back after 1 hour of charging the phone. So let's see in the 1 hour how much the phone can actually charge. So right now you can see here it's been exactly close to 1 hour. So let me show you the battery charging percentage. So you can see here friends, for 1 hour of continuously charging the Realme X2, the battery got charged to 94%. So this with the 1 hour of charging. So again I'll be back once the phone get completely fully charged. So let's see the last 6% how much time this actually takes to charge. So usually the smartphones they do take very much long time, so when they are close to the 100%. So let's see the last 6% how much time this actually takes. So right now you can see friends, it's been exactly close to 1 hour and 15 minutes of charging the Realme X2 Pro. Still the battery is of 99%. So you can see here, so last 6% of the battery is taking more than 15 minutes of time. So right now you can see still it's 99%. So I'll be again back once the phone gets fully charged to the 100%. So let's see how much time it is gonna take in the Realme X2 smartphone. So this charging test may vary if you do the multiple times testing. So sometimes you'll get a little bit faster charging, sometimes you do get a little bit slow charging. So overall you can understand the around time of this, how much time it has taken in my mobile phone, and you can compare the results with your mobile phone as well. So as you can see friends, finally after 1 hour and 18 minutes of continuously charging this Realme X2 Pro, finally the battery got charged to 100%. So overall the last 6% took about 18 minutes of time to charge the Realme X2 smartphone. So for more videos to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.